Want to extract specific rows and columns from your data? Let me show you how to do it using CHOOSECOLS and filter functions. This is my sample data, and I only need the product column and the total sales column. And I want them to filter by the region that I choose in H1. So first, what I can do is that I can use CHOOSECOLS to pick the column that I need. So this is the array, and I want column number 2, which is the product, and column number 5, which is the total sales. And now I got my result, the product and the total sales column. And I want it to filter based on the region that I choose in H1. So what I can do is that I can wrap this up with filter function. So this is the array that I want it to filter or return, and comma, and I want it to include where the region is equals to H1. And if empty, I want it to return no record found. And now I got my result, and it is no record found because I haven't choose anything in H1. So let's try East region, and you can see that it returned the mouse and the monitor sales in East region. And let's try West region, which is the keyboard, and 400. So yes, I got my West region total sales. And let's try South, and there's no record found because there's no South region over here. So instead of hiding and deleting rows and columns, use CHOOSECOLS and filter function instead to get the data you want without changing anything in your source data. And it's clean and dynamic as well. And I'll see you next time. Bye.